Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to reset HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w to the factory settings. Option 1 is software reset. You can use this option if your printer is connected to wireless network. You need to know printer's IP address. To find the IP address, make sure your printer is powered on. This LED light is glowing green. Also, wake up your screen, press any button to do it, and now press and hold the copy button until the power indicator starts blinking. Now release the copy button. The printer will print 2 sheets of information about itself, and you need the second one. So this one you don't need. You can find printer's IP address in this section, TCP IP. This is your IP address, and also this is your Wi-Fi direct IP address, so you can connect either to your home network or directly to printer to enter the printer's settings. Next, connect your computer or mobile device to the same network that your printer is connected to, or connect directly to the printer's network. Next, open a web browser. Keep in mind you can use mobile device. I'm just showing you on PC because it's more convenient. Now click on the address bar and enter the corresponding IP address. Hit enter, and now you are in the printer's settings menu. So you need to select the System tab. On the left panel, go to Service. Scroll down, find Restore Defaults section, click Restore Defaults, and confirm your action. Your printer will be reset to the factory settings. And the second option is hardware reset. Use this if you can't connect printer to a network. So make sure the printer is powered on, press any button to wake up the screen, and now press and hold Wi-Fi button for about 15 seconds. You need to wait for the LED indicators, power and warning, to start blinking together. So the power is blinking and the warning is blinking. Now you can release the Wi-Fi button and your printer will be reset. Now it will be powered off first, and it will automatically restart, make some noise, and after some time ready to work. So you need to wait until it stops making any noise and the power indicator is glowing solid, warning indicator is not blinking, and Wi-Fi indicator is blinking blue. Now you can try to connect this printer from scratch to your Wi-Fi devices. And that's it. If the video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, any questions comment below, and guys, be awesome. Have a nice day. Goodbye.